The Roswell UFO Incident, a detailed account background and initial discovery. The Roswell UFO Incident began in early July 1947 when a rancher named William Mac Brazel discovered strange debris scattered across his ranch in Lincoln County, New Mexico, near the town of Roswell. The debris field was extensive and included materials that Brazel couldn't identify. Lightweight metallic fragments, foil-like sheets that retained their shape after being crumpled, and other unusual items. Brazel, having no idea what the debris was, collected some of it and brought it to the local sheriff, George Wilcox. Military involvement. Sheriff Wilcox reported the incident to the nearby Roswell Army Airfield, RAF, where Major Jesse Marcel, an intelligence officer, was assigned to investigate. Marcel and another officer visited the debris site and collected more materials, which they brought back to the base for examination. Initially, the RAF issued a press release stating that they had recovered a flying disc, sparking widespread media interest and speculation about extraterrestrial visitors. Official explanation. However, the excitement was short-lived. The very next day, the Army Air Forces, the predecessor to the U.S. Air Force, retracted the initial statement and claimed that the recovered debris was actually from a weather balloon. A press conference was held, featuring Major Marcel and other officials, who displayed remnants of a weather balloon and its radar reflector, insisting these were the materials found on Brazel's ranch. Project Mogul. In the 1990s, documents declassified by the U.S. government revealed that the debris was part of Project Mogul, a top-secret operation during the Cold War. Project Mogul involved high-altitude balloons equipped with microphones designed to detect sound waves from Soviet atomic bomb tests. The materials found at Roswell, including the foil-like sheets and other unusual items, were consistent with the components of these classified balloon arrays. Conspiracy theories and public fascination. Despite the official explanation, the Roswell incident continued to capture the public imagination, fueled by various conspiracy theories. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, interest was reignited when ufologists and authors such as Stanton Friedman began investigating the case. Witnesses, including military personnel and local residents, came forward with new accounts, claiming that the debris was extraterrestrial in nature and that bodies of alien beings had been recovered. Books, documentaries, and television programs further popularized these claims. Some former military personnel alleged that there had been a cover-up and that they had seen or heard about alien bodies being taken to Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio. The incident became a cultural phenomenon, symbolizing the mystery and intrigue surrounding UFOs and government secrecy. Government reports and skeptical views. In response to ongoing public interest and pressure, the U.S. Air Force published two reports in the 1990s. The first report, in 1994, reiterated that the debris was from Project Mogul. The second report, in 1997, addressed claims of alien bodies, suggesting that the memories of these accounts were likely a combination of misidentified military programs and crash test dummies used in high-altitude experiments during the 1950s. Skeptics argue that the Roswell incident can be explained by mundane factors, including miscommunication, misinformation, and the sensationalism of the media. They point out inconsistencies in witness testimonies and the lack of physical evidence supporting extraterrestrial claims. Legacy and cultural impact. Regardless of the true nature of the Roswell incident, it has had a profound impact on popular culture and the UFO community. Roswell is now synonymous with UFO lore and continues to be a subject of fascination and speculation. The city of Roswell has embraced its place in UFO history, hosting an annual UFO festival and housing the International UFO Museum and Research Center, which attracts thousands of visitors each year. The incident has inspired countless books, movies, TV shows, and conspiracy theories, cementing its place as one of the most enduring and intriguing mysteries of the 20th century. Whether seen as evidence of extraterrestrial visitation or as an example of Cold War paranoia and government secrecy, the Roswell UFO incident remains a compelling story that continues to capture the imagination of people around the world.